Okay, so I'm gonna go through some next level, kind of higher level percent questions, but you guys all have the base for this and basic knowledge already. Just take some thinking skills to go through it. So I'll go through a couple, and then there's a couple of questions for you to finish up. So first question says, Paige buys 4 T-shirts that were originally this price, but on sale for 20% off. If she pays with $50, how much change will she get? Okay. So first thing, let's work with this information first. 20% off. Okay. So if we remember how to do that, it's 20% off. So we're going to go 100 minus 20 equals 80. And then go, so that's what percent of the shirt we're buying. Okay, we're only paying 80% of the full price. So then we're going to go 80 divided by 100 equals 0.8. Then we're going to times that by we're going to times that by the price, which is 12.99. So that will give us our new price. So that's the new price of the shirt. Alright, so that's the new price of the shirt. So let's do this part. Oh, where's my highlighter? So I'll highlight. There's that part. Now I would like to do this part first. 4 shirts. Okay. So if we know that one shirt is $10.39, we're at to buy 4 of them. So let's just times it by 4. So there is the price for 4 shirts pre-tax. Alright. So then let's go on to the next part, which is tax. Alright. So let's figure out our tax rate. Tax is 13%. So we're going to go 13 plus 100 equals this. Then go 113 divided by 100 will give us our number. Then we take this number and we multiply it by our final price, 41.56. That will be our after-tax price. And the last section, let's do this here. And the last section's here. We're going to take care of how much change from $50. And that is going to be simply just be 50 minus our total, which is 304 change. And there's our answer. So to go through it a little bit slower, 20% off, so we're going to only pay 80%. Okay? 80% of the price. Then we change that 80% into a number. Then we times that number, and away we go. Then we need 4 shirts, so we multiply it by 4 to get this price. And then we go over here, we have to add tax. Okay? This is the tax section. It's 13% in Ontario, so 13 plus 100 is 113. Change it into a number. And then we figure out our price after tax, and we find the change. So you see all those things we've kind of all done, except for this, but you can plus minus, so you're fine. So this time, Logan buys a bunch of video games, 15% off the original price, including tax. He pays this number. The original price of the video games are this. How many did he buy? Okay, so this one's a tough one. Okay. So we know, if we think about this, before anything happened, we had the original price. How come I cannot spell original? Original price. Then there was a discount. Then there was a tax, and all that equals the final total. Okay. This is actually going to be pretty easy. So let's work with a price here. Okay. I don't need this after I look at it. Let's look at one game. There's a 15% discount. So how much is he going to pay that? If he's getting a 15% discount, it's going to be 100 minus 15, which is equal to 85. So we're paying 85% of the original price. Did I forget there again? Oh, there's an I right there. Right. So then we go 85 divided by 100 equals that, and 0.85 times, where's my multiplication, times the original price is 25.999. So our new price is this. Right? Now we have to add the tax. Now we know that tax is 1.13. We did that right above there. That should be pretty standard once you think about it. We're going to times it by the new price. So there is our new price. Of one game. So if we know the price of one game, we could always go, okay, what do we pay total? We paid 125.82 total. We don't know how many games, so let's divide it by 24.96. So how many games did we buy? Well, we bought 5 games. So we find the price of one, add the tax to it, then divide it by total. Now here's the fun one. All right. So this one here, Jake pays for his new t-shirt with a $20 bill and receives this much change. Okay. So how much did he pay total? Well, if he paid with a 20, he got $1.67. So he paid this much. So that should say t-shirt. The t-shirt was marked down twice. First for 25%, second was for 15%. What's the original price of the t-shirt? And we had tax in there. Right, so let's look what happened. Okay, we had original price. Then we had discount 1. Then we had discount 2. And we had tax. That equals the final price. Let's change this word. So what do we know here? Well, we know our final price is this. We know tax is 1.13. 1.13 is our tax. Oops. Blue. Right. Discount 2 was this one. And discount 1 was this. Alright. Since we know all information, let's just type it in. So, because if you think about it, original price, you had one discount, second discount. Now, you can't add these together. Okay? Because there's one discount, and then you're taking the second discount off the first discount. I'll show you the difference between, you can't just take 40% off. So, let's make the original price equal X. And then, multiplied by X was the first discount, which is 25, and let's do some math inside here. 100 minus 25 equals 75, so then we're going to divide that by 100. And then we're going to do 15%. So 100 minus 15 equals 85. So 0.85. Then we're going to do our tax. 13 equals 18.33. Let's do some calculations over here on the side, which is 0.75 times 0.85 times 1.13 equals that number. So I'm just going to make it 0.7204x equals 18.33. So now we have to isolate the x. So we move the coefficient. Right. Now it's a multiply becomes a divide. And we move it across the equal sign. So our next level is going to be x equals 18.33 divided by 0.7204. I'm just going to do this so I can figure out my math. So x equals 25.44. So that is the original price. Okay. Nope. Price. So there's 3 higher level questions. Now there's a worksheet there, you can try it out. On the quiz I won't have any like this, maybe I'll have a bonus one for you to try. But for the quiz part I'm not going to have anything like this right now. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy.